So, Fritz, happy birthday, good luck, and God bless. Fritzy boy, happy birthday. Wish nako, more blessings to come, and more birthdays to come, and happy birthday, 25th birthday. Happy birthday pare.
Wala to. I-anak.
Idol, happy birthday. Wish na lang sa mga good health. And stay your foot always in the ground. And nice ka kayo mag-health. Kari ka mag-birthday.
Hi Fred, happy birthday. Without ko nga, yung mga pangandoy kinabuhi, yung matuman, kanala. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And I wish to wish I wish wala puson kasi muang sama ng imuhan mga once in long future. So ako lang is keep up the good work. Salamat po kasi ng tabang nimo sa ako. So I hope na so happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Go. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you got to do is fall, and I'll be there, yeah. You got a friend, you got a friend. More than I do, I want you to know, Fritz Tauho, that God will be there for you as your friend. Dili man siguro ko permanente na asumuhan dapat as one of your friends, but rest assured, just a whisper of your prayer na naging sa Lord diha sa imuha ma-answer kung unsa man ang imuhang mga needs in times of your trouble and everything, love life man yan, emotional, spiritual, in all aspects of your life. Be confident na best friend of true friend is the Lord. All I wish for your birthday, just always be happy and stay young. Young stand for wise, yield to God, obey His words, understand His will, know to sing and go for His glory. I want you to remember na maski gamay lang man ang time nga nagaila ta, pero nakabalo ko and ako na perceive how good you are on the inside out, and just keep it up. Be the person that God has made you. Kung unsa ang i-design ni Lord nga ikaw, just enjoy it, reach your goal, kung unsa ang mga goals sa kinabuhi, and stay as happy as you are, as sweet as you are, being a friend, being a son, being a person. And I do hope na maski mo graduate namin, nila Joy, and all the TVP, yung mga graduating students, maging friends pa rin tayo as always. And ano pa ba? Yun lang. Happy birthday. And I'm so glad having you around as my friend. And I'm looking forward to see all us on the show. God bless you and happy birthday. Mwah, 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 mwah. Hi, Nay! Happy birthday! More birthdays and blessings to come. Familiar ka akong background, naramak ko sa balay, nag-video, and wala ko nag-expect na magka-amiguhay ta, kay sa una, katong summer, classmate ta, nara ka sa kilid, di kay ka-approachable, kay murag ang imong amigo at mong headset lang. So, salamat kayo sa pag-invite sa amua na wato sa inyong bukid,
tungod ato na kami kwarta, tungod ato na buang KBP, tungod ato na president ka sa mga bulok, nag-imot lang ko no, so okay ra na. So, ipadayon ang imuhang pag-guide sa mga bata. Tigulang na mamugay ka, 25 years old, so hinay-hinay na, kay hapit na. So, motto siya, always wear your smile para baby face always. Parehas na ta, baby face, no? Parehas na ta. So, i-minimize lang jud ang imong pagkatabian, kay tabian kay ka, mas tabian pa ka namo ni Joy. Minimize lang jud na ha. Kanya, motto siya, kaning, ipadayon ang imong paglambo, ipadayon ang imong pagka-friendly, ipadayon tanan, and, kaning, ayaw pabayae, tama ba te? Ayaw pabayae ang imuhang health, ang imong sarili, so, kaning, always pagbinuotan sa imuhang pamilya, sa imuhang friends, sa mua, kay BP, and mato siya na, I love you always, na, always, kani remember nga nalami diri per me, isa ra ka text, or isa ra ka tawag na anami dayon, then, unta, kaning tight pa ang band sa KDP, and padayon lang si Tananay. So, I love you, Nay. I love you, mwah, mwah, mwah.
Tony.
Dito.
Hi, friends. Happy birthday. I wish you have a good health and more blessings to come. Na lang po i-share one simple thought. We cannot have all that we desire, but God will give us all that we deserve. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Tol, birthday anak ya, kaganina ko na. Yung sana ko, birthday ito rin huwag mga tol. Ay tayo tol, tiguan nga tayo ko ba? Alam, nabalata ako kay Santa ko tiguan nga. Kaya ka na edad niya? Kapansin ko, tol. Mura pa mga tol, gusto Navy. Pero ko lang, birthday ko. Sige, bye.
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Bright na kayo pa, pag-study pa. Tapos, wala lang, padayon grab sa pagkuswag. And, pila na kayo. Yung edad, sigulang na ka. Siklam, gwapo kitang yapo na kayo admirer. Yeah, that's all. Happy birthday.
Kalaya, distansya na yun. Na? Yan. Birthday. Kuan, manggod. Siguro. Wish now sa inyong mga time. More birthday to comes. Then, isa. Karong February na kay Kaday. Unta, best wish. Hello. Ay, loway po daw. Enjoy. Pero okay na, sir. As long as namin dito, sabay ta firme. February, lahat ka, umasa ka, sabay ta. Wala to.
Yes, birthday, na-effect sa palod. Kaya na ha, mag-record sa ako. Anyways, happy birthday and 35 na ka. Doon na ka. Joke. Anyways, unta, maganahan ka sa mo ang regalo sa imuha na video do OA pa rin na, special. OA ko dun. Message ko sa imuha niya. Cliche naman kayo siya nga mga message. Bahala balik-balik, basta remind lang ka niya. Kung siya ka special, ka niya, dahil lang, you are so great, inside and out. Salamat sa imong greatness na i-share sa among and never let me hear again na mingon ka, I'm so stubborn, you just don't know. No, you're not. You just have to find people na ma-appreciate sa inyo ha. Ug ayaw, taga-ipagtaga ng mga tao nga dili ma-feel ang imong greatness. I wish you more compositions sa poems. All praises kay ko ana sa imong ha. Such a talented mind. dili ikaw ang talenta, di marang mind. Anyways, unta, kanang, may you have all the success na imong wish in your life, guided by the grace of our God. Unya, naara ko diri for me, one text away. Unya, kung manakaw na ni, I mean, graduate na ni, hindi na pareha tong day-to-day banding best. Pero let's cope with the changes and sustain na to ang friendship. Ang tingin mo kagalingon na ara ko diri for me as thank you, you're such a blessing to us. Happy birthday.
Hello, Chuy! Happy birthday! Loyal ako karon siya kabalula ka. I-blow out ko ha. Pagtayan ka. Ayaw kalimot niya. Katupod akong ingon sa imo ha. Ayaw dyan ko bali-bali. Bantayan ka. Maulan to go. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hello, ya. Happy birthday. Hope maraming blessings maabot sa mo ha. O long life. O taon din pansit ya para taas kinabuhi na to. Okay.
Never mind that name at my back. Anyway. Tomorrow is your day, so it's gonna be a happy birthday, Tito Fritz. I wish you all the best among the rest. Of course. I know. You're gonna do it. Life must go on. So, life is too short, so move on. Life will be like this and like that. So, enjoy life. I know you're a good man. Thank you for everything. And remember that we're always gonna be here for you. And we'll love you so much. Mwah. Bye.
Happy birthday, Choy! Kam, happy birthday! Wish lang ko sa imuhang birthday na hinaot unta nga mayo kag lawas hangtod sa tibok ni mong kinabuhi.
Okay.
Ayaw unda nga. Sa, nga. Oh, sige na.
Ikaw mo.
Hindi. Hi, Choy. Happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come in your life. God bless you.
Yudi. Yo.
Good care of yourself. Always.
Next. Next. Sino?
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Wish na ko na sana makuha mo yung lahat ng marating sa buhay.
Yay!
Kote.
Choy, happy birthday. Inaot unta, hatagan pa kang baing lawas. Sa sunod mo happy birthday.
Si ate. Kote. Hi, Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Brother! Ginalan, graduate ligid ka, ha? Oh, be a good boy. Happy birthday. Love you, Daddy. Choy, in behalf sa imuhang papa, mag-wish mi sa maayo ni mong kinabuhi. I-wish na mo ang imuhang umaabot nga kaugmaon, nga hinaot, pagmalampuson ang imong ipangandoy, nga unta sa tibuok ni mong kinabuhi, uban sa umaabot ni mga pamilya puhon, nga mamalampuson, pinaagi sa imong pagpaningkamot karon. Happy birthday and God bless you always.
All.
Happy birthday, Lord! I love you so much.
See you.